If your Maytag front load washer isn't dispensing detergent properly or is leaking from the dispenser area, the detergent housing could be the problem. I'm Ed with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to test and replace it. The detergent housing directs water through the dispenser and into the tub. If it's cracked or clogged, it can cause poor dispensing or leaks. Don't worry, this repair is easier than it sounds. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering the tools we'll need for today's repair. You'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a T20 Torx, and needle nose pliers. And don't forget to unplug the washer or shut off the breaker before doing anything inside. Next, shut off both the hot and cold water supply valves and disconnect the inlet hoses from the back. To access the detergent housing, begin by removing the main top panel. Slide the panel back and lift it off. Next, remove the detergent drawer by pulling it out and pressing the release tab. With the drawer removed, take out the screws behind it. Disconnect the water inlet hoses and internal fill hoses attached to the housing to fully access it. Carefully lift the housing assembly out of position. Start by inspecting the detergent housing for cracks, warping, or signs of leaking around the seams. Check for detergent buildup or debris that could restrict water flow through the dispenser channels. Clogs can prevent detergent or fabric softener from being flushed properly into the tub. If the housing is cracked, leaking, or internally restricted and cannot be cleaned effectively, it should be replaced to restore proper detergent dispensing and prevent further leakage. If you've already got your replacement, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com using your washer's model number. Position the new detergent housing in place and reconnect all the internal fill hoses, making sure the clamps are fully seated and secure to prevent leaks. Reinstall the screws and slide the dispenser drawer back in place. Finally, reinstall the main top by sliding it into place from the rear and securing it with the mounting screws, and restore power to the washer. Run a short rinse cycle and watch the dispenser area to confirm proper water flow and check for leaks before returning the washer to regular use. Fantastic job getting your Maytag front load washer back into top shape with that new detergent housing. If you need any more parts, remember you can quickly find what you're looking for at AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in a couple of days. We'd love to hear about your experience, so feel free to share how your repair went in the comments below. Thanks for letting us be part of your DIY journey. We'll see you next time.